Good morning, students. In continuation with the last topic, till last topic we have studied about aggregate demand, aggregate supply, and some formulae. Based on that, now today we will practice some question. I am not solving the question in a copy because as compared to that, through this we can solve maximum number of questions in one video, and I will explain each and everything so that you won't find any problem. Still, if it exists some problem, feel free to share with me. Now here you see the first question, the disposable income. Income means Y and consumption expenditure, that is C, is 800. Find APC. We have the formula APC is C by Y. So consumption upon income, that is 800 upon 1200. It is 0.67. Next question, if saving is rupees 500 and income is 5000, find APS. The formula for APS is S upon Y. Here S is given 500, Y is given 5000. So APS will be 0.10. Now go to the fifth question. If income is 500 and saving are 100, find APC. Understood? Now income is how much? 500. Saving is how much? 100. It means consumption is 400 because consumption plus saving is our total income. Y equal to C plus S. Understood? So here 400 upon 500, that is 0.8. Now MPC and MPS, it's not C by Y, it is delta C by delta Y, that is change in consumption and change in income. Similarly for MPS. So here question is, when income rises from rupees 1000 to 1100, saving rises from by rupees 30. It means the change in saving is 30, change in income is 100 because earlier income is 1000, latest income is 1100. So the difference is change in income, that is delta Y. So delta S upon delta Y, it is 30 upon 100, that is 0.3. If MPS is 0.3, then we have to calculate MPC. So MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So 0.3 plus MPC equal to 1. MPC equal to 1 minus 0.3. That is how it will come 0.7. Now these are some schedule questions. Same the earlier questions which we have done, it is made in tabular form. So please try these questions because that is as simple as the earlier questions we have done. We have got C, Y, then if we know we need to find MPC, then delta C by delta Y. So first we have to find delta C, that is second minus first consumption, third minus second consumption, that is how delta will come. So these are that scheduled questions. You can see it. By seeing also you can solve it or ask your queries to me. Now see the next question. On the basis of consumption function, we know that the equation of consumption function is C equal to C bar plus BY. And here it is given C equal to 120 plus 0.4Y. It means autonomous consumption C bar is 120. B is our MPC, that is 0.4. And Y is income. What we have to find? Derive the saving function. फंक्शन जहां भी आता है वहां इक्वेशन के रूप में उसको सॉल्व करना है. डिटरमाइन द सेविंग एट द इनकम लेवल ऑफ 500, मतलब जब y 500 होगा तब हमें s निकालना है. एंड एट व्हाट लेवल ऑफ इनकम सेविंग बिकम्स 0. इट मीन्स what should be the value of y when s equal to 0. So see the solution for first. Here first is derive the saving function. Now saving function is we have to find the equation of s equal to minus c bar plus 1 minus b into y. Now c से सबसे पहले हम क्या देखेंगे? 120 is our autonomous consumption c bar, 0.4 is our MPC और b को ही MPC बोलते, और गिवन इक्वेशन में सारी वैल्यूज रख दो. s इक्वल टू माइनस 120. अगर आपका b 0.4 है तो 1 माइनस b क्या होगा? 0.6. Understood? 1 minus b means MPS. सो ये इक्वेशन बन गई -120 + 0.6 y. Understood? Now second is determine saving at the income level of 500. If income is 500, now saving at income y equal to 500. तो y की जगह 500 रख दो, हमें सेविंग फंक्शन मिल जाएगा. सेम वही इक्वेशन रहेगी, s इक्वल टू -120 + 0.6 इंटू 500, दैट इज 180. नाउ सेविंग इक्वल टू 0, मतलब ऊपर जो फॉर्मूला है सी एस इक्वल टू कंजम्पशन का सी इक्वल टू सी बार प्लस बी वाई. इसमें एस को हमने क्या मान लिया, एस इक्वल टू 0. सो सी रिप्लेसिंग सी विद वाई इन द कंजम्पशन फंक्शन, इट डिटरमाइंस ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि जब सेविंग 0 होती है, इट मीन्स एस इक्वल टू 0 होती है, तब सी और वाई बराबर हो जाता है. दैट वी हैव सीन इन द कर्व ऑल्सो. एट द पॉइंट एस इक्वल टू 0, सी एंड वाई आर इक्वल, क्योंकि पूरी इनकम कंज्यूम हो गई तभी तो सेविंग 0 होगी. सो व्हेन सेविंग इज 0, सी इक्वल टू वाई. तो हमने सी की जगह पर भी वाई लिख दिया. अब ये लीनियर फॉर्म में इक्वेशन आ गई. वी कैन फाइंड y. And that is how we can solve this question. Any query, please feel free to ask me.